වරද්ද ගන්නේ නැතුව හරියට ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න මේ වීඩියෝ එකත් එක්ක එකතු වෙන්න. He don't know. That's wrong. He doesn't know. That's correct. He doesn't know. ඔහු දන්නේ නැහැ. He doesn't know. ඔහු දන්නේ නැහැ. I will come in Monday. That's wrong. I will come on Monday. That's correct. I will come on Monday. මම සඳුදා එන්නම්. I will come on Monday. මම සඳුදා එන්නම්. Did you saw it? That's wrong. Did you see it? That's correct. Did you see it? ඔයා ඒක දැක්කාද? Did you see it? ඔයා ඒක දැක්කාද? I didn't knew about it. That's wrong. I didn't know about it. That's correct. I didn't know about it. මම ඒ ගැන දැනගෙන හිටියේ නැහැ. I didn't know about it. මම ඒ ගැන දැනගෙන හිටියේ නැහැ. Everyone are happy. That's wrong. Everyone is happy. That's correct. Everyone is happy. හැමෝම සතුටින්. Everyone is happy. හැමෝම සතුටින්. I want to go to there. That's wrong. I want to go there. That's correct. I want to go there. මට එහෙ යන්න ඕන. I want to go there. මට එහෙ යන්න ඕන. He is an university student. That's wrong. He is a university student. That's correct. He is a university student. ඔහු විශ්වවිද්‍යාල ශිෂ්‍යයෙක්. He is a university. Tell the time please. That's wrong. Could you please tell me the time? That's correct. Could you please tell me the time? කරුණාකර මට වෙලාව කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? I very like this. That's wrong. I like this very much. That's correct. I like this very much. මම මේකට ගොඩක් කැමතියි. I like this very much. මම මේකට ගොඩක් කැමතියි. You like coffee? That's wrong. Do you like coffee? That's correct. Do you like coffee? ඔයා කෝපි වලට කැමතිද? Do you like coffee? ඔයා කෝපි වලට කැමතිද?